This week USD CHF Technical Analysis. This is 4-hour time frame. So if it will give any correction here from here, any correction, it will come down. It will give expanding flat already. So it's there already. So it will give expanding flat. Then it will go one more up. Okay, this one. Initially small correction from here to upside, small correction, then it will fall. If we once form this expanding flat, it will go up. Okay, thank you.